Hello, my friends. This is the one-day reading for the S&P 500 throughout the day of Thursday, December 30th, 2021. And the current date and time is Saturday, December 18th, 2021, 7:04 p.m. So the theme and overall behavior, we have an intention. It's the prudence card mixed with indolence. So the prudence card speaks of multiple false highs or multiple false lows or an intentional fake out of some kind, something very tricky, maybe not intentional, but there's something very tricky. So obviously you want to be prudent, and it's mixed with the indolence card. The indolence card, it's a decline through multiple support levels from a high whose level won't be revisited within the time frame of the reading. And so we have the tower card in the high position. It's correlated to a low, so the high and the low for the day are going to be close to each other. And it was also the tower card was the last card of the day, the trading day from the prior day for Wednesday, the 29th. So that's likely going to be the high. The high was was Wednesday, and now it's Thursday, and we open up at a day's high for Thursday. That we're at a notable price level in the pre-market, and then we drop sharply after a failed attempt to break resistance right around the open. We drop sharply through multiple support levels, maybe as many as 9. There's wild swings around the high there as well, or between the open and roughly 11 o'clock. And then we have a selling from a peak. Like there's a peak that we poke up through a resistance level and then poke back down, and it's a selling from that peak. So it's like a little triangular type of peak between roughly 11 and 12. There's multiple. My God, this music again. Sorry, guys, I got to take care of this. Okay, so there's multiple failed attempts to break resistance between 12 and 1. And then there's an attempt to establish or reestablish a support level between 1 and 2 o'clock. There's a definite like peak or another high roughly around 12:45. And then that support is highlighted between the 1 and 2 o'clock mark. And then between 2 and 3 o'clock, there's a big push to the upside, like nice move to the upside. And then we have a correlation in the last hour to the theme card, the prudence card. So that big push higher is met with a flight to safety in the last hour and a sharp decline through multiple resistance or multiple support levels right around the close. There's an opportunity around a high there as well, or a crest of some kind, a trade opportunity to cash in on some investments or on some positions there around right around the close. The sneak preview for the following day is there's wild swings and a sharp dip within the period of those wild swings. There's also a correlation to the indolence card for that day. Behavior around the low, it's going to be the lows will be close to the highs today, and there'll be a breakdown through a diagonal trend line with volatility increasing on the way down to the low, and there'll be a really notable drop from the high. That's how we're able to get to that low so quickly. All right, that's Thursday, December 30th, 2021. Love that you guys are here watching this stuff. I'm glad I'm able to help some people. Let me know how this helps. Let me know what you're doing with it. And do me a favor, like and subscribe. check out the website too, tarotfortraders.com. We got a lot of other stuff other than just S&P 500 stuff that we do there, including a 1 month overview for each S&P 500. Each month there's an S&P 500 1 month overview where we do highs and lows, month highs, month lows, local highs, local lows. You'll see me refer to it very often when I'm doing these 1 day S&Ps, because when you put them together, it works really well. And I send that out as a free newsletter. So if you subscribe to the newsletter, which is free, you get that a week ahead of each month. We're averaging a 97% accuracy, calling highs and lows to the day, guys. Enough said. I'll see you all tomorrow.